Wow, 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 wow. Can you see this? Ha 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 ha. Yes, I'm so excited because today I'm gonna show you brand new Chanel eyeshadow. I will swatch, I will compare, I will show you step by step how I create this beautiful, fabulous look. But I am so excited because no one now have anything like this. We're gonna talk about formula, I will swatch for you, I will show you step by step how I create this fabulous look. Yes, no one have anything like this. Look at these beautiful colors. Yes, Chanel released 14 brand new eyeshadows. You can use them dry or wet. $40, different formula. Let's talk. Let me show you. Yes, let's talk about this beautiful eyeshadow, brand new from Chanel. This is how look box. What it's important for you to know, every single box have a name for eyeshadow, but they will let you know it's a satin finish or it's metallic finish. It will says in the box or matte. We have with you 2.2 gram of eyeshadow inside, and also it's 0.06 ounce products. $40 price in United States. Original eyeshadow I believe $36. This means we are paying for new formula, for new colors, $40. Every single eyeshadow has this beautiful velvet protection. Oops! And let me open and show you how beautiful these eyeshadows inside. We have a cute little mirror, and I absolutely in love with packaging, and it has this mirror. And we have with you two brushes. One, it's a spongy one, and another, which one I am very excited. I am really happy. Let me show you close this brush. This is its double-ended brush, and I love this to use for eyeliner or sometimes even for my brows. This angle brush, absolutely in love. And then we have a little bristles here. This eyeshadow palette you can use wet or dry. And this little brush I will suggest for you to use for wet application. Let me show you 5 these beautiful colors very close, and then I will swatch for you and we will compare with old formula and new formula. Let's start with first color. It's number 236, brown talpa. It's a taupe brown color. When I swatch, I feel it's have little bit like slightly pinky taupey color. I really like, and I do have old formula, and you can see they are looks different. Yes, this is your talpa number 14, but let me show you close. This is your new eyeshadow, this is your old, and if you can see they're a little bit bigger, we have a little bit more products here. It's a 0.08 and this one is 0.06, but they are looks different. Sorry for the noise. My neighbor renovate house and a lot of people working outside. Sorry, but I'm doing my best. Love you more than ice cream. Okay, let's compare. We're gonna start with color 236, and it feels really, really creamy. And let me feel old formula. Ooh! Totally different. Ooh, it feels powdery, and oh my god, new formula feels really good, very smooth, again very creamy. Let me swatch for you these colors together. This is it's new, feels buttery, feels very creamy, and this is it's old. Colors it's different. This is little bit, I will say little bit more feels dry. Again, this feels very creamy, beautiful, gorgeous color, and definitely it's more pigment right here. Now let me show you color 220. It's blank pearl. It's translucent pearly white with peach and pink reflection. It's very beautiful eyeshadow. Let me swatch for you. Yeah, here I definitely can see it is satin finish. You can see this little pearly pinky reflection. I love this. Then I have color for you 224. It's a gold metallic green. It's so beautiful. This is its your new eyeshadow, and this is its old one. It's a bronze antique number 32. Again, you can see it's little bit bigger, and they are very different finishes, different even color. I think Chanel replaced this eyeshadow number 32 bronze antique with this new color, but it's more sparkly, it's more goldy, and we like gold, we like sparkles, right? Wow, look at this. Oh my god, how beautiful this! Gold, green, sparkles, shimmers, everything is here. So far I like all colors, but please comments below, let me know what color do you like, what color you think about it's gonna be the hottest color. And now I have for you matte color. It's number 228, and it's a fresh matte pink peachy color. I feel you can use this for eyeshadow, you can use this for a blush. It's really pretty. This color is definitely matte. This feels a little bit more dry compared to another formula, but again, because we know it's matte. I know it's eyeshadow, but you know what? And I have a little bit blush, but let me try and see it. Wow, this is pretty, beautiful color for blush. Oh, and it's no fragrance. I love it. You know how I'm sensitive. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, comments below. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. Love you more than ice cream, but let's continue. Then I have for you color 222. It's satin gold. It's like a light green sparkly eyeshadow. Very beautiful. It's hard to find color like this, but it's gorgeous. Wow, it's a beautiful, I will say light minty green, minty green color, but it's have a little bit gold sparkles. And I forgot to swatch for you old formula number 32, and it's bronze antique. I will swatch for you, but then remember, new formula you can use easy wet. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use my Lancome Setting Mist. I'm gonna spray this eyeshadow with Lancome Setting Mist, and I will go one more time with layer, and then we can compare how they will go the same or more intense, or how they will glide on my hand. Let's do it, right? You can see it's totally different colors. It's nothing to even compare. More goldy, more brighter, more deep, little bit more like I would say khaki, bronze color, totally different. I will remove this for you eyeshadow, and I will show you how they look wet. I wet eyeshadow. They go intense, but to me, when I swatch eyeshadow, it's already have a nice pigment. It's a huge difference. Definitely, I can see in this color and this color. Rest of not much. personally, for some reason, I do not like how this color went on my hand. For some reason, I was thinking it's gonna go more intense, bring me more this iridescent, pinky, pearly look. It's not. Again, sorry for the noise. I have for you 5 eyeshadow. This formula comes in 14 colors. If you want me to create a video with all 14 colors, let me know. And now let me try this eyeshadow. It's first time I'm gonna try. I have a big blending brush from Chanel. This is brush like 20 years old, but it's still amazing. And if you know me, I like easy application, but I do like to look 100% beautiful. Just kidding. Okay, we're gonna start with this first color. It's your lightest color in this formula, and it's number 220 Blunt Pearl. I'm gonna apply this color close to my brow bone. Ooh, I can see it's go like oh, this go to pearly. I can see shimmer pink. I can see shimmer peachy. Wow, really, really pretty. And it's lift my eyes. But sorry, I forgot to mention, before I apply this eyeshadow, I always use an eyeshadow primer. And sorry, it's not Chanel, it's MAC, and it's color Pantherly. Absolutely stunning. To me personally, I can just put mascara and it's already amazing. So far we have only 2 colors with you, but look how pretty. Very beautiful, sits on my eyelids, this formula. Yes, this color don't give me much pigment. This one have a good pigmentation, but let's work a little bit more. I love this color. For blush, for eyeshadow, it's very hard to find color like this. And now I'm gonna use color 236, beautiful taupey color. I'm gonna apply on my lower lid like this. Wow, I love this top eyeshadow. Push a little bit up. I like how it sits on my eyes. I look so young. It's not age me. No falling down eyeshadow at all. Texture amazing. Pigmentation, you know what, I love pigmentation. This one, pinky one, it needs to be a little bit more work to build color, but it's okay. And I will definitely use this matte color is my blush. Now I'm gonna use this cute little brush. I have Lancome Setting Mist, and I'm gonna spray this brush. And I have these 2 beautiful colors, and I think I'm gonna go with this lighter, like a minty color, number 222, because this is, I feel, a little bit too goldy, but I can use 2, but let's go with this one. And I will apply this green color right here in the center. Remember, my brush, it's wet. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, I really like it. Let me know, girls, if you like this look or not. Let's finish this look with mascara. I'm gonna use my Inimitable Intense, and I know somebody gonna ask me, Katerina, what do you have on your lips? I have a tender beige lip stain from Chanel. It's one of my favorite lip color. Wow, look at this pop. Look at my eyes. I look young, I look fresh. Ah, gorgeous, right? Let me know if you want me to create a new video with all 14 colors, or if you want me to create day look, nighttime look. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channels. Comments below, subscribe, love you more than ice cream. And if you want to see more colors, go to my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style.